Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys a DIY craft that's Valentine's themed once again. I wanted to liven up my porch, so I'm going to make a faux flower pot using scrapbook paper. So if you want to see what I'm doing, go ahead and come along with me. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, give this video a like, and let's get started. So for this project, you're going to need 3 types of scrapbook paper, Spanish moss, floral stem tape, large ribbon, 6 wooden rods, a large planter pot, cardboard, scissors and floral cutters, glue stick, and glue gun. After doing this project, I do recommend to replace the cardboard with foam project board from Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and made 3 heart stencils and a leaf pattern stencil to go ahead and make my hearts and my leaves using the scrap paper and the felt. I forgot to mention you will be needing felt for this to make the leaves. You're going to want to make 6 hearts from your scrap paper with the 3 types. Make sure you decide which patterns you want in your pot and make your hearts accordingly.
I see your face, your mouth looks like mine. Pretend to dream, surrounded by ghosts in white. And nothing belongs to you in life.
So this was around the moment that I realized I messed up. I did my hearts upside down. The word love is upside down. So I have to redo my hearts so that the word love is readable. So after I got my hearts cut, I started testing them with my pot and realized that I needed one other size, which was like an extra large size. So I went ahead and made some stencils for that and cut out 2 extra large sizes. So now you can see we have about 4 sizes, which I'm going to make 6 different ones for my pot using 4 different sizes and 3 different papers. I'm adding a cardboard backing to it to give it a little more strength to hold on to the rod. I do recommend to go ahead and use a foam board from Dollar Tree because the cardboard was a pain in the butt to cut. I ended up switching to a box cutter and it was still really hard to get through. It took way longer than needed, and I feel like a foam board would have been way easier. Plus, it would already have been white, and the back of mine are going to be this cardboard color. So if you choose to use cardboard and go budget friendly like I did, I would probably recommend painting the back of them so that the back doesn't look like cardboard.
You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. There's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one.
So now that I have all of my sized hearts, I went with 6. and I did 2 extra large, 1 large, 1 medium, and 2 smalls. And I kind of mixed the patterns to kind of just give it some depth and stuff. And I was going to have my husband dig me up some dirt outside so that I didn't have to buy any dirt. But it's really windy and gross outside, and it's getting colder and colder at the moment, so I chose not to make him go outside and dig me some dirt. So I remembered that I had this styrofoam piece from a party I did a while back. So I'm just gonna stick it inside my pot. My pot's pretty large. I'm gonna stick it inside my pot. And then I'm gonna start stabbing my sticks through to figure out what length I want them to be. And then I will cut them to that length.
You make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel, I know, you will always be the
try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Till I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
And now we have a faux Valentine planter, and I'm so pleased with the result. If you guys want to try this, I would love to know if you guys did it and see some pictures. I do have an Instagram, so feel free to send me some pictures of the ones you tried. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and please join me for some more videos because I have a lot of content I want to put out in the next few weeks.
You know we could run to a place where we belong.